Guys, what is your favorite? Huggy Wuggy, Seek, Scary Blue, Jumbo Josh, Ban Ban, Nab Nab, I forgot his name, the Frog Dude, and yeah, Slow Celine, Bambadella, Stinger Flynn, Opla Bird, and Awesome Huggy Wuggy. This is me, but I don't want to use it. Blue, I mean Kizzy Mizzy, Killy Willy, Choo Choo Charles, like Boxy Boo but not evil. Then we have Evil Boxy Boo. We have Squid Game Huggy Wuggy, Baby Huggy Wuggy, and Blue, and Freddy Fazbear. Oink, Oinky Oink. We have Creepy Green. We have Huggy Wuggy Look Happy. He is, and we have What the Hell. We have Nobody Cares.